looking at is at the Form 1004 for tax filing, which I believe is very important since we live in the United States. That means one way or another you're gonna have to deal with the IRS, and it's better to file your own taxes.